Just wanted to know one thing. I'm glad it's not home, but honey, I just can't take this abuse anymore. I can't take this abuse. You know how hard I worked for this segment? I worked so damn hard. I worked so hard just to achieve it. Hi, folks. Wanted to say that I hope you guys will understand that the video that I'm doing is a rehearsal of my main character that I'm playing is Penny, and Max is the husband. One day, Penny gets home from work. Her phone buzzes, and the husband calls her, telling her that his job is not right. I don't. This is hard. This movie that I'm playing is hard to explain, but take it out of bird vibes, but you just don't know. Anyway, this movie that I keep practicing for is basically a wife. The wife is worried because the husband calls, telling her that she won't be home. He won't be home for Christmas. Not spending the time of her life with her kids and her husband. And gosh, I really wish there was summer. But anyway. My character, Penny, she gets home from work. As soon as she walks into the door, her phone rings, and her cell phone rings, and gets a call. One day, Penny cries, saying that she wants him home for Christmas and not spending time with the kids. So I don't know if you guys can see me, but it's just not me. Anyway, life right now is kind of short. Don't know if I can ever qualify as, a person with feelings, and the day for me is just begun. Let's just say that every day is going to be a honest cycle of life. But this movie that I'm doing basically on a family that does have to hang out together. And, you know, gosh. So anyway, people, I don't know if you guys can see my face, but just to let you guys know that it's hard. It's hard for each family to get along and love each other. And it really hurts to see everyone fighting, arguing, but that's how family is. What Christmas is really about is to get together, hang out with family and friends. But the most part is, the most fun thing about everyone getting together on Christmas Day, you get to open presents, and just one more thing, you get to, you know, you get to eat dinner, you get to eat desserts, and, well, basically, for my family, we're different from the Americans. We eat what you call a Filipino dish, and I don't know what we're gonna have for Christmas party, but that's just that, you guys. I love you all so much. I hope you guys really watch this video. I'm doing, you know, this is a memory video. No, forget what I said. I love you guys so much. Take care of yourself. Protect each other. And no matter what, the angels are on your side. An angel that is bored, she is also on your side. I know that you guys don't know that I'm a dark elf in this human state of mind. Before the revealing of my true self, I wanted all of you to just realize what you guys are doing. But during the past, you guys have realized what you're doing is wrong. Beating up each other, hurting each other. But did you guys know that violence is not the answer? Violence is never the answer to anything. This will be my last journey, my last life, my last everything that will be my last time being in this family. I don't know if I will ever make it. Every night, my brain hurts. My head hurts every night, and it keeps squeezing, you know, like cracking. I always hear a crack on my brain, and, well, that's just life. I just want you guys to remember that you guys had that I was a daughter, a sister, a friend, girl. see their blessings in their life. The fact that we're gone, of everything that I love so much, the joy. You could sell it to the art gallery. I love you guys. I'll always love you guys. I'll always remember every little memory that everyone shared with me. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, everyone. This great moment. And the moment I share this life, the moment everyone came into my life, it was hurting me inside to see all my friends not caring. And I hope that one day you guys won't be looking for me. Just remember, guys. Remember the good times we had. The times that we ate lunch together. The times we spent together. The times we sit at lunch together. We were all like a wolf pack. We were like a wolf pack. But I'm sorry that you guys have to see that I post on TikTok. I hope you guys understand. What you guys did to me, it was hurting me inside. You guys were threatening me all the time. You ganged up on me. Now you guys were attacking me again. And I want you guys to stop. Every one of you, stop attacking me.
Are you acting up again?
No.
What?